It's important to understand how a vendor is thinking about the master data management, or MDM, problem. It gives you insight into their strategy and areas of focus. In this video, I describe TIBCO's point of view on master data management, the challenges we see, and how we address those challenges with TIBCO EBX software. To understand our point of view, let's start with a few definitions. What is master data? It's data that is shared among business teams and systems. Master data management is the governance process for your master data. Let's deconstruct that definition of master data and focus on the word shared. A common point of view is that MDM falls into two domains or categories, product or customer. Now let's look at each domain, starting with the product category. Identifiers and attributes of the new product are often shared among product management, marketing, and supply chain teams. Then that information is shared with systems such as ERP and PLM, a common use case for MDM. Then, looking at the customer category, enterprise sales teams can share identifiers and attributes about customers with the finance department. That information is then pushed out to the CRM and risk management systems. But what if we look at all these business teams, systems, and domains together? What we notice is that a siloed product or customer-centric view misses the fact that the domains share relationships or connections. Customers are connected to products, and products and customers have shared connections to reference data, such as geographies. The relationships that connect these domains to each other and to other reference data is the reason we, at TIBCO, think of master data as a network graph. Naturally, tying these three big blocks of data, product, customer, and reference data, together forms relationships. That's how we get a web of connections, or network graph. As a consequence, our view of master data is more than just the product or the customer domains separated from each other. It includes the connections. The fact that master data is shared among business teams has profound implications for MDM software. Given all of the teams involved, the shared responsibility, and all the tasks that are required for master data management, there needs to be an established workflow or a way to orchestrate all the activities across the associated teams. To incorporate all these business users and subject matter experts who have a wide spectrum of technical skills, your MDM solution needs to be easy to learn and use. Usability fosters adoption, and adoption of MDM software by your business users is key to your program's success. Finally, we look at MDM as a governance process. Considering the entire process end-to-end, your MDM software needs to provide all the features that support your team from design through deployment, including the ability to change data and users. That is why we include data modeling in our solution to define what it is to be mastered and its relationships. EBX also supports hierarchy management, which includes alternate hierarchy management, workflow, and version control with access to past, present, and future versions of master data. It also gives you the ability to create relationships between time periods of master data. Finally, for distribution, it provides more than just data services for systems. It also distributes master data in a human-readable form through portals such as SharePoint and spreadsheets such as Excel, and our native iOS and Android mobile app, EBX Go. To summarize, EBX is a multi-domain MDM platform designed for collaboration among business teams with governance features covering the entire process end-to-end.